CRCL stock analysis, CRCL stock prediction. What I'm breaking down here is my exact play and whatnot. And as I'm looking at this just deliver like crazy. I mean, you cannot freaking hate, because if you've been watching my videos, you've been following me, you're just nodding your head, because back here when it was 75 bucks is when I made the first video on this, even though we didn't have that much volume, not even that much candles, to be honest with you. And at the time, you can see it. I was waiting for that shift in a double break to happen, and it did actually occur 2 weeks back. Since then, I've gotten 4 separate longs. I've gotten W here as well, so 2 W's break even, actually 3 W's. And then I was expecting to take advantage of this thing here, just kind of gapped up without me, which is totally fine. Then if I pull back here to this 5-minute chart, here is this. And if it doesn't sort of correct and gives me some sort of a shift, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. That's about it, right? It's obviously not financial advice. And if you do want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.